Samrat Tynes has been one of the leading distributors of Tata Steel in the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And we've been operating in this space for the last 2 decades. And we have a vast network of sales force which is spread across in these 2 states, along with a dealer network. And we are happy that, we are recognized as one of the most reliable and trusted partners for supplying Tata Steel rebars across these 2 states. What makes us unique is our customer first approach, and we understand the needs of the market better than anyone else. We are authorized service centers for Tata Tiscon Ready Built, which makes it easy for the customers to share their bar bending schedules, and we cut the material accordingly and supply it to the sites. Samrat has always been a front runner in terms of adopting to new technologies and digitization. And as I said, our major workforce comprises of the sales staff was spread across in remote places in these 2 states. And then to reach them and to give them approvals we were finding it a little bit difficult. But we had used a competition card prior to Zaggle, and then we were not that happy about it. So we switched over to Zaggle, and we find that, getting approvals from their reporting managers or their requests coming into the managers and they approving them and it flowing to the finance people and to the topmost management is just become so easy with Zaggle. Once Samrat got onboarded with Zaggle, what we have seen is there's much more accountability coming in from the employees. They know that they have to upload their food bills, they have to upload their DA, the other expenses, and also when they have exceptional expenses beyond the approvals, the request going directly to their managers, reporting managers, and everything gets done in a jiffy. The Zaggle gives us that ease and convenience at any time of the day to approach and then get the approvals done. And from the management side, we really feel that, every rupee is truly accounted for, and the way the spends are being done, we have a clear picture because the dashboards are always available on Zaggle. If I have to describe Zaggle in 3 words, I can say it is transparent, it is easy, and visibility is very high. What we like about Zaggle is, one thing is it's easy, as I said. People from remote places can access it. And also the workflow is so convenient for us. And the 4th one is, if something is not approved, we can put in the comments and it goes directly to the employees. They can come back to us with a rectified approval request. So these are the things which help us to monitor the expenses, and the workflow is seamless. I really like the support desk and the response they deliver within 24 hours to our employees. Zaggle understands the customer needs as much as we understand our customer needs in the market. And then, when we ask them to customize certain things for us, some features, and they're ready to do it, which is what makes them stand apart from the competition. Those enterprises which are looking to grow and adopt technology and then make it easy for their employees, I would suggest you try Zaggle and then see how it helps you to resolve the issues of the employees in terms of expense management.